Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're just making some donuts today and my little girl's helping me. And we're using our KitchenAid mixer, so we are super excited. So keep watching, see how we make these yummy donuts. Alright guys, so we just added our water. We're doing a recipe we found on YouTube. I'll leave the link in the description. We're just gonna let this go ahead and proof a little bit, even though it's instant. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so we have the yeast and water. We're gonna just add some warm milk. Okay, butter and shortening. So let's see if we can get it out.
It's stuck.
It's stuck? Okay, it's all in there. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. So we're gonna lift our bowl. Good job. So we're just gonna mix that all together.
It's mixing it. It's mixing it.
Yep. So now we're gonna add some sugar. We're gonna put all the sugar in. Good job. So we're gonna go ahead and get that cut on. Good job. 2 whole eggs.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye egg.
Okay, good job. Now you wanna cut it on?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you gotta lift the bowl. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, now we can start it. Good job. Okay, we're gonna dump in a little cap full of vanilla. Okay, so now we're gonna add about 5 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time. Okay, another one. Okay guys, so this is our last cup of flour. This is cup number 5. Go ahead and add it. Mari, go ahead. Shake it all. Get it all in there. Good job. Add it on.
Not this?
Yeah, no, this right here. Move that.
I do
Hold
it.
it to you. Lonnie, show him how to do it. Show Mari how to do it. You want to show Mari how to cut it on?
Now look. Just do it like this.
Yeah. All right, we're going to let this mix up and combine all together and knead a little bit, and then we'll be back. Uh-oh. If you can't tell, we love our mixer and we use it a lot.
Mommy!
What? What's wrong? Is it ready? We're gonna go ahead and just let this knead for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna let it rest for about an hour, hour and a half until it doubles in size, and then we'll be back to roll out our donut. Okay you guys, so our dough is done. We covered it with some plastic wrap, and we're gonna just let this sit in the microwave until it's doubled in size. So we'll be back when that happens. We're just gonna leave the door on the microwave slightly open so the light can keep it warm, and then we'll be back. So I'm working on this custard to put in some of the donuts. I love custard filled donuts, so I'm working on this. This is my first time doing it, but I'll leave a recipe in the description for this. All right, you guys, so this is our dough for our donuts. It's all ready to go. So we're going to remove this here soon. In a second, we're gonna punch this down, and then we're gonna start rolling out, shaping up some of our random type donuts. We're gonna do some round ones. We're going to do butterfly. We've got pigs and all little things. My kids like to help, so well, whatever shape they want, that's the shapes we're gonna do. So my custard is thickening up really good. Okay you guys, so I've got a little flour on my hands, and I'm just gonna put this down here, and I'll be right back. All right you guys, so this dough's sticky, but it's not like super sticking to me, so I put it in some flour. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it in half because I don't have a lot of space to roll it out. So I'm gonna break it in half, and then I'm gonna roll out one side and then do the next side next. Be right back. All right, you guys. So I'm trying to roll this out. I have a little rolling pin. I don't have a big one. Actually, I made this rolling pin from Home Depot. I just got a long stick of wood and have them cut it down for when I was trying to make tamales to be able to roll it out better, but I might have to get a big one again. But I'm trying to roll this out as not super thin, but thinner than this. Excuse my kids in the back, they're having fun. So I'm gonna get this just a little thinner, and then I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I think I got it pretty good. So I'm gonna start cutting these out, and then I have a cookie sheet just with a little flour on it. Okay, you guys, so these are the 3 types of donuts we're gonna be making today. So we're gonna do some round ones. I wanna do some custard filled ones. We're gonna go ahead and do some butterfly and then some pig. And I think we'll fill the pig ones with custard too, some of them. Anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead. I don't know what size this is. I tried to get some donut cookie cutters from the store, but they were all out. They didn't have any left, and this was all they had. So this is what we had to end up getting. I want the one with the little circle inside. If you want, I just took one of these and I used it. Like, say you want, you know, an actual donut type donut. This works pretty good. And that's what I usually do if I want to do that for now, until I can find some actual like donut cutters. So I'm gonna stop on this row. I'm gonna leave it like that. Then we're gonna do some of these butterflies. So do I have it right? Yeah, I have it right. So do a few butterflies. Let's see how many of these we can get. And I do have more dough. I'm just doing half right now. I might even save the other half for tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how many we get out of this. But yeah. I'm gonna just, that one's trying to come out. Then we're gonna get a couple pigs. So let's see. I'm gonna get as many as I can. I guess I'll just go there. Probably can get 2. The pigs are gonna be so cute. Okay. Take them off and set them up here like that. This is the one that I did a little inside, so yeah, that worked out pretty good. Let's see. I wonder if these are too close. Hopefully they're not. These are what I got so far. So I'm gonna finish cutting out all the shapes. One of the butterfly ones, I didn't get it good enough, so I'm gonna just roll that back up with the rest of this, and then just do a few more, and I'll be back when we're all right, guys. So this was about what was left. I got 4 of each. I got 4 regular style, I mean, donuts. Then the ones I'm gonna fill with custard, I got 4. I got 4 butterflies and 4 pigs. And then I just decided with the rest of it, just make a bunch of little donut holes. And yeah, because my kids do love donut holes. So. Mommy. Yes. Alright guys, so this is only half of the dough mixture I made. I put the other half in the fridge. I'm gonna save it for another day because I don't think we can eat so many donuts in one day. The next day they taste stale, so I only decided to do half because I don't have too many people to share it with right now. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just let these rise a little bit. They're looking pretty good already, but I'm gonna let them go for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna fry them up. And yeah, so that's what we're working with today, guys. So we have a bowl of sugar that we're gonna cover our donuts in. You guys, I'm gonna drop in a few of the donut holes now. Get these going. I'm not gonna put too many. I'm gonna just probably go with the 6, just because I want to make sure I won't let any get over browned or anything. And you guys can see these are already getting a little brown, so I'm gonna flip them. Sorry, I got a frame, but I'm gonna flip them if they stay flipped. These take about a minute, or whatever. So it's kind of hard to keep them flip, but I'm about to take these out here in a sec. So I'm gonna just take them out with my chopsticks and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so these are all the donut holes I have, and like I said, I have some sugar. So I'm gonna have my daughter coat all these in the sugar and get those ones ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start by putting in a donut or two. I'm gonna go ahead and go, what I might do, I probably can go with 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 of these, and I'm gonna do for a minute per side. And then I'll be back when I'm ready to flip. All right guys, so it's been about a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead, oh, hurt myself. Try to flip these over. Yeah. Yeah, put them in the sugar. So I'm gonna let these go for a minute, and then I'm gonna take them out. Then I'll show you what they look like. Okay guys, so it's been about a minute. Oh, again, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna put them up there. This one's looking pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna fry up the rest. So this is what we're working with. These are a few of our bigger donuts. So we're gonna fry up the rest. And all right guys, so this is basically the donuts. We have some butterflies still cooking up. The pigs are so cute. They're a little fat though. They're super cute. I think I'm gonna stuff these guys too. So we're gonna coat all these in sugar. So we're just gonna take them and coat them in sugar like so. Let me get all these coated up and then be back when we're gonna fill these. All right guys, so I got them all covered in sugar. Let me cut the bag. All right guys, so I got them all covered in sugar. I went ahead and just jammed them with this and all of those. So I'm gonna do those first, and then we're gonna put this in a baggie. Not yet. So we're gonna put this in a baggie. I clipped the corner off. I'm just gonna shove this inside the corner. Just like this. So, because I don't really have a piping bag, but this works just as good. I'm just gonna squeeze it into difficulties. Make sure you tighten the, okay? So there's that. So I'm gonna do all the rest. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give these donuts a try. They are so good looking. We did snag a few of these already. My kid's been dipping in those. It's about dinner time, so I'm trying to hold them off so after they eat so I don't spoil their appetite. But these little piggies are so cute. I went ahead and filled these up too. And yeah, so give these a try. I'll leave the recipes in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.